Hey J-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I have this cool mix right here, and basically what these are some air freshener and from the Febreze brand. So what's different about these are the new design of the air fresheners, and they called it the small space, but this is also from the brand called Febreze. So these brand new air freshener that we have right here, if you can see, it definitely looks very cool compared to like the previous versions, like the cone design or the plug-in design. The way how they designed these right here looks very similar to like the one you guys use in a car, which is pretty interesting. And for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack with 3 of these, but they do have these available in like different scent and also like different packs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which ones prefer. But since they're all the same thing, I'm just gonna open one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it. So you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like. They mention how it's a fresh scent. And you can see on the bottom right here, they do have an option for you guys to scratch it. So once you guys scratch this part right here, you guys actually smell like the scent on here before you guys open it. So let's do that first. So when you guys smell the scent on here, it kind of smells like a fresh water scent to it. I don't know how to actually explain it, but it definitely smells really, really good. And we guys look at the back part right here, they provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. But basically what you guys want to do is push the button in the back right here to activate it. So let's take it out and show you guys how to set up and how to use it. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And then here's what it looks like in the back. And here's what it looks like in the bottom part right here. So the way how they designed the bottom part right here definitely has a flat bottom. So that way if you guys want to put it on the table, you definitely can. But basically all we need to do is push the button in the back right here to activate it. So I'm actually pushing it right now. Alright, so we just pushed it. And literally once we actually push it, I can definitely smell the scent on here is actually really strong. It definitely smells really good as well. So basically once you guys push the product, the scent will come out from the bottom right here. You can see they have this little opening right here. So whether you guys want to use this in your bedroom, your bathroom, your living room, or wherever you guys want to, that is up to you guys. I think for me, I'll probably just put one in like the living room and then one in the bathroom. But basically for this part right here, they mentioned how it's actually really powerful. And they mentioned how it actually provides 2 times the strength compared to your normal air fresheners. And they also mentioned for this part right here, the power that's on here is equivalent to like 4 of those cone ones. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about in terms of the cone one, let me actually bring this over to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys set this up right next to the cone one, and I'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we see that this is basically what I'm talking about right here. So this is the cone design that I was talking about. So basically one of these right here is equivalent to 4 of these right here. So if you guys really think about it, that is actually a lot of like odor eliminating power, because one of these right here can last around like 20 days or so when I use it. Whereas for this one here, they mentioned how it can actually last you guys up to 45 days. Which is plenty of time for you guys to use it. So whether you guys want to use it in your bathroom like how I have it here, or if you guys want to put it in your bedroom or living room, that is up to you guys. But you see that definitely does work and actually looks pretty awesome as well. And welcome back guys. So now this quick test of the product, and definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. So if you guys do end up setting this in like a bathroom, this will actually be super helpful to remove any kind of like odor or whatever in your restroom. But you see how I showed you guys that cone earlier, that is basically what I meant in terms of the cone. So basically one of these right here is equivalent to 4 of those. So if one of these right here are equal to 4 of those, it's basically 4 times as strong as those one cone, which is pretty strong if you guys think about it. And also for this part right here, they mentioned how when you guys use it, it should last you guys around like 45 days, which is pretty awesome. Because all you have to do is set this up and put it in wherever you guys want to. Whether you guys want to put it in your bedroom, your living room, wherever you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of odor from like using the restroom or whatever. Or if your room just smells really bad, maybe if you guys have like a pet or whatever. Then definitely getting one of these is actually really helpful. So I definitely have to say that it is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.